a CAD file and the difference between paperspace and model space viewports. So I'm just going to start and open up this drawing here. First thing that you'll notice about this drawing is that there is a drawing border around the drawing, and it's not a black background or sort of a very dark grey background which you would expect in model space. So this is the difference, or one of the differences, between a paperspace viewport and a model space viewport. Effectively, a paperspace viewport is like a piece of tracing paper with the drawing border drawn on it, and then effectively you've got that piece of tracing paper has a cutout in it which then shows the drawing behind it. So the paperspace drawing border is drawn at an A2 or an A1 size, and then the drawing sort of underneath it is scaled to that border itself. So you can actually edit, or you can change the view of the drawing within the paperspace border by double clicking anywhere within the actual viewport itself. And you'll notice that when you double click within the viewport gets this thick black line to show that you're within the drawing. What you'll find that most of the time you'll need to do, though, is to actually come out of paperspace and go into model space, and you'll see down on the bottom left that it says model and sheet 1. Now sheet 1 is just a title, and you quite often find that it's called plan view or 1.01 or something like that to show that it's a paperspace sheet. So we'll go into model space, and we then, after that, we want to look at layers, and I'll get onto that in a minute.